Man, I can tell like she be in spirit a whole lot.
Yeah, I see.
As soon as I see her, she just she's so focused. Like it really goes like she's so focused. And so sometimes we'll be in class and she'll pull me to the side and she'll say something else. And then I have to tell certain people around like after class I'm like, look, on the outside, because you know people they'll look at a person that's in the spirit and they'll look at them like, man, that person crazy. You know what I'm saying? But I have to tell them like, no, it ain't that. She's telling me things I need to hear. So yes.
But at the same time, still you have to be mindful of them as well. Because,
of course, yeah.
Because like Mika, I literally she always tell me that when she says something right on point, it's perfect. And then God had to show me. So I started. It was at the point where I would look for her just to ask her about something. You know, but sometimes you just need that extra person, you know, you need that extra voice.
I don't know. You hit me in my mouth. You don't get mad at me because I see it.
Of course. But she is, it sounds to me like she is very anointed.
But she don't, sometimes she don't realize, like, because, like, I had to call her name sometimes. I was like, Mr. Prince. She's like, oh, because she'll be doing the exercise. I'm telling you, she be so focused. I was like, oh, we done? Yes. Oh,
yeah, but make sure she's focused. And like I said, remember, make sure she's focused on. Because you know, when you're anointed like that, you got to remember, make sure you're hearing from God and not the devil. Because you know, if you hear from God, the devil won't turn anything off.
Yeah, if they try to steal, try to steal.
Yeah.
I can feel it. I can definitely tell the difference now.
Yeah. But I do pray, you know, sometimes God let us see stuff. Sometimes it's good to say stuff, and again, sometimes it's good to be quiet.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Shoot, one time, it was 2 times, but one time, a lady came in there, you know, she spoke, she's like, hey, how you doing? And all this. And then the lady, I don't know what her name is, but the older white lady, she's like, yeah, I'm working out to keep up with my young boyfriend that I got. And, you know, it's kind of good. She was like, oh, okay. So, man, he bring it up again.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Yep, I just heard on pause. We're on Marshall.
She just throw the word on. She said she don't care what she at. Somebody ask her something stupid or say something. She look at them. She'll do a little smile. And then she said, but you know what God said? God said this.
Yep,
and they look at her funny, like she crazy.
Yep.
And then
you just heard on pause.
She ain't got no shame in it.
Yeah, we here short.
They went to go give food to the
ETs.
Not food. They went to give
AT-44.
So Ebony went to go give she gonna give out hats and gloves and stuff today to the homeless people. But they're like Auntie said, why we should have did it before it got cold. Cause last time I did food bank, I gave out hats and gloves and to the women. And a lot of the men came in there with it on already. But I was like, here you go, God bless you, you know, and I gave some food. And I guess she was trying to get that. And
sorry,
but the problem is
yeah. There are no bars in the street already.
They got a hill permission, honey. That's why I laughed.
It's already here.
He's so little, he ain't like he can get away. He ain't won't. Well, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that.
See you now.
I can tell.
Hold on. I saw short line waiting on short line waiting on Westbound.
Close out. You gonna be trying to do extra stuff. You gonna tell on somebody else, but you still gonna try to do it all the time. Who gonna be fighting? Who got animals here?
There you go. No one's wait on them. They flying, huh? Dang, they got a couple locomotives engines. Oh yeah. They know. They all fly like that. Fly like that they want. Fly like that. They fly like that for a long time. They can slow down. You're in a hurry, huh? Go ahead. You never got that hurry. This big old hurry. Probably almost going 40. Just slow down. Slow down there. Big old hurry. What you bringing him up for? What you bringing him up for? He ain't here. Oh yeah. That's how I did on my game. This ain't jump too. Oh. Yeah, I know. Car wasn't that long either. Car going downtown. Maybe they'll get dropped off. That's right. That's probably the end. Deep South Mountain. That's what they call out. That's what they were trying. Sure. You're gonna hurt me. I did in my game. Right. I did in my game. Don't get close to the road, they will. That's right. And that's what you need to make clear. If you bring them in and say, well, okay, I see what you're saying, but I'm not saying I'm doing it. So, you know, if you want to go stand over there, go follow Jay. Otherwise, you come here, I'm dang, they are fair today. I didn't know that. Because that's what my boss, once my doctor did the other day, she was like, yeah. They are in there. They're in the hurry to get downtown. What movie are it? Because they was going to pay. I know somebody got it. What movie are it? I guess it's the hours in the easier. When things don't go the way you want to go, what you call somebody else's name for? Wow. You stop all that food. In a hurry. So that's why I went to short term. Short term was for them. I rubbed down, I brushed it off. I was like, okay. Every time things don't go right, that's what you want to do. All right. I said, okay. So this is what we did.